Mm.
I'm not sure because I already placed an online order. But I wanted to make sure that you guys could put extra sauce on the wings. Elizabeth? Zimmerman. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, please. Okay, I think that's it. Can you make sure the pizza's fresh, not cold when I get it? Alright, how long is it going to be? Yes, please. Yep, that's it. I just wanted to find out how long for the delivery. Okay, thank you.
Wait, when?
Where's Tate's tablet? I need to check something. You sure this is not unplugged?
I'm trying to look.
Can you